Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Tower of Hell. Okay, so we are starting off on the first level. So let's get started. Okay, so what about... So let's go back to 10K. I thought I only had 802 bucks. I think when my sister buys stuff, she gives it to me because my mom said she didn't give me any more Robux, just 802. Oh, that's awfully strange. So when she bought something else, now I have like 202, 200, no, 252. Is that crazy? I'm not sure if my sister's buying stuff, then the Robux gives it to me because when I buy something, the Robux gives it to her. It's very weird and strange. But, let's just get started with this. But, yeah, I think that's gonna be the hardest level. So we're gonna go to Pro Tower, then Noon. We're just gonna turn off the sound a little bit. My glasses. And guys, I anyways got glasses, and it's kinda like a little bit decorated. I like maybe like painted them a little bit. They looked a little boring, but no, I didn't decorate it. Did I? No, no, I didn't. No, I didn't. I didn't decorate it. If it guys looks familiar to you, I think it does. For some reason. Okay, so we're just gonna. Okay, we did that. I can hop like over here or something, but that won't connect. Oh yes, we got my favorite power of powers. We got the, what's it called? I think it called like something like, um, but I remember it called, okay, I think it called invincibility. I'm not sure, but it's a very hard name to say because all these powers need to be like magnificent or something. Some of people like buying stuff. Okay, it's going way slower now. Come on, I gotta make it. At least. Go faster. Okay, maybe after this we can change my avatar. Because I still have the bloody knees. I thought I, like, got rid of it. I got it off clothing, accessories on your knees. It's hard doing this on computer. On a Mac computer. I'm like on a big Mac computer. I'm on a Mac monitor. I think it calls though. No, I meant to go on other things. Why I keep cracking myself? It hurts so bad. I'm not meant to crack myself, but I crack myself like this, 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 this. It's so annoying. Whenever I go on the stairs, literally, look, this. My ankles. No, it keeps, like, something keeps cracking on my ankle or foot. It's so annoying. I don't want to make my baby brother away just because of this. Seriously, maybe I have to wear socks. And I do wear socks sometimes. Not my dirty socks at school. I like wearing socks. It makes you like calm down like a little. Okay. I make Okay, so what should we get? Double jump. This. What's the double jump? No. What about we go for a train? No. Like, what about like someone's gonna be like surprised when I get it? Let's go for a fast buy box for. Okay. What about settings, credits? What was that? I would rather do dark. I think credits. Game design. What about shop? So you get like one 1 week and 1 month. Like I think it's a little too boring, like I mean I could buy stuff, but I think I don't really want to get it, but we tried our best. So we're just gonna wait for the timer to end. We're just gonna wait. We're listening to Crimson Woods. That's a vocabulary word at school. Crimson. Crimson. Oh my god. I feel like eating raisins, but I hate them. I feel them in my tummy. I don't like them. Sometimes I eat them at school just for extra food. Oh my. Never say the word crimson. Like, I feel something nasty in my throat. I don't know what does that happen to me. And it has the weird feeling. I do not like it. Okay. The first one. Mm, 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 mm. Oh no. Oh no, I actually did that? No, I didn't. No, there's no way. No way. Hold on a sec. There's glitch. There's glitch. There's. No, there's no way I made it. There's a glitch. Stop, Tower Hill. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I deserve that because there's no way I couldn't have did that. I wanted to lose. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Yay, I lost again. Okay, so okay, let's see. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna maybe edit here. If you guys want me to end it here. Anyways, here's like my Robux. I don't know why do I have so many, but I guess it's the end here. Anyways, guys, I need to show you something that I've been hiding from my parents in here. It says office tools, but the office tools are right here. But let me try and show you. That is not my bed. Wait, let me try to show you. All the equipment is this. I decorated this all by myself. I wanted to get all the stuff, and in here I've been hiding this for my parents. It says office tools, so that's why have a bunch of chocolates. I'm gonna take one right now. It's nighttime, but I don't care. I'm a sneaky child. So, there's snack food. Oh my, what in the world? Okay, guys, be sure to like, subscribe, and hope you be a pink at least. Bye.